Oh, my post-box level. One thing I didn't show I got yesterday. Well, I actually got the, I actually bought myself the PS Cook. I think it's K-O-K, that should be Cook, right? Because K is K, right? I bought, I had got, oh, I had got another one of those. Another thing I got, more of my favorite coffee. This is bougie. If you want bougie instant coffee, you want Mount Hagen. It's really good. I got the packets, which this is what the packets look like individual. You have a, if you see there's like a little cut thing, that's where you zoop and put it. I also got me a 3.53 ounce show, which is probably way more expensive than this cafe and all that, but guess what? I don't care. So, with the bag that I bought, okay. Oh my god, coffee's good. Oh my god, coffee is good. By the way, literally, this tastes just like regular coffee. Like brewed coffee. I swear. It tastes like Folgers to me, like brewed Folgers, but no. So yeah, I am planning on building a Doug Shoe bushcraft bag. Yeah. With that little bag I have. So, yeah. If you're trying to, I will tell you what he recommends. Because I wrote down all the stuff. Okay? Let me get to it. The video. Okay, let's go. Okay, so what he recommends is a knife. Either a more 511, or more in general, or a paring knife. I'm doing the paring. He showed a paring knife also. Put my foot up. Get to this a little bit down. Yeah. Oh, it's actually coming up. Oh man. Plus it's organic coffee, so anyway. Okay, so yeah. He recommends a fill rod. Okay? Basically it's going with the, like, at least 5 C's. Let's just get real here. Which if I did a urban kit, I would probably you don't have to have like an expensive one. You can just do a little cheapo type one if you need to. He has one for like maybe a few bucks from whoever. Then he recommends a compass. It don't gotta be the most expensive compass. That's be just working. I'm gonna. I should. You know what I should do? I can't. Oh, wait, can I pause? Yeah, I can. 1 second. I want to get one thing. 1 second. Second thought, I don't feel like looking for the bag real quick. Because I don't know where that went. Place the bag here somewhere, like my red bag. Near the red bag I had, like the hobo one I had. I put a lot of the stuff in there. Like, I want to test out actually I want to test out one compass that, you know. Oh yeah. That I got the little. Okay, let's go get me another airfill compass, which I want to get, an full compass. Yep. Then okay, so you can do air filled or oil filled, whatever. It doesn't matter. Then a bush pot, which could be just anything really. It could be literally just a, like, whatever type of bush pot you want. I mean, this is supposed to be for under $20. So, you know, whatever you have, you know, bam. Add that to the, oh, you had it, so it's free. Type thing. So, yeah. Then he recommends jute troll, or jute twine. Not jute troll, but jute twine. I'm gonna have coffee in a few days. Had a little bit yesterday. Oh my god, this is. By the way, it was a fresh cup of coffee, too. They they had to do it. Oh, that. Oh, no. Then he recommends a cup. Okay? A cup just to, like, say like a cup, like a metal cup, any cup, like metal cup, basically. I'm probably going to end up using this as my cup to put in. It was like, you know. Then a water bottle. This is going out of order because I have this, you know, right? A water bottle. Like any water bottle, you can do like just like a juice bottle that you cleaned out really well. To be honest, you could do that. Then a spoon and a fork. You know, for whatever food you have, whatever food you brought. Also, food should be something you should have in the bag. Because if you're gonna go in a bushcraft thing, you're gonna have like a little bit of food or whatever. Like a knife. Well, the knife that you have can wash if it washes off really well. You can use that for food also, for food prep or whatever. Okay. Then a cotton bandana. Okay. That's self-explanatory. Or if you have like a shirt, you can just eat with a shirt. Like say I could like cut this shirt, like a cotton shirt, and make that into a makeshift thing, bandana. Oh yeah. Next is contractor bags. If you, yeah, it's basic a right. You can have like poncho. What it's you know all these poncho, you know, bedding, you know, blanket, maybe. Next. Or if you don't have that, you can do a rubber bag. Or actually, other non-scented like trash bags. I swear to God, there's none. He doesn't recommend the white bags. Those are like too small and too like. Eh. I wouldn't recommend them either because like they're always scented for some stupid reason. I would just do contractor bags because those are not scented. They're not meant to be scented. So do that. Right? Then the food, right? Whatever food you bring. Oh, I should have bought actual food yesterday in a bag instead of gummies and all that. I mean, I said no. I bonus for me. For me, coffee. Yeah. So yeah, this is what he recommends. Sorry for flickering. That's because what. Yeah. That's what he recommends. For the bag, it could be whatever's a bag really. It's a book bag like what I have or whatever. I only did a clear one, so like I've never had a clear one in my life. It was only like $5. Of course, it was actually like that's like blue, I think, and the other was like the other one I saw was pink, like the pink trend. Plus, clear lets me go. Oh hey, yep. Also another bonus, first aid kit. Yeah, a first aid kit. I would add. I'm pretty sure you already have one, like a personal first aid kit. So yeah, that just for a little whatever's. This is just my bonuses. I would add. Um, since you have like food, you really don't need, you know. But the first aid definitely. Water purification tablets definitely. Yeah. First aid. Okay, so first aid. But, water purification tablets. You know. That's two. And coffee. Because guess what? You can probably need coffee in the bush. And oh my god. By the way, the Mount Hagen coffee, not cheap. It's not cheap. I only buy it because holy crap, I love it. Oh yeah. Mm. It does taste like brewed coffee. I swear to God. is USWA organic, which means nothing actually, because God, US, you know, oh, no, it says Campos. Okay, so for, I don't know what parties. The second one's probably camping, right? And just when you're on your computer doing nothing but watching YouTube videos. Anyway, some Postbox Bible, Suicide in the Wasteland, and yeah, I can't find my other bushcraft bag, so I can make another one. I got pretty much all the stuff I need anyway. Right? You know exactly what bushcraft I'm using. Y'all know exactly. I already have it. I'm also going to probably put in a burner, just in case I want to start a fire. Yeah, I can do that too. I can stack. It has plenty of space. All the small craft is going in the front pocket. Anyway, this has been Postbox Bible, helping solve the wasteland, and giving you the list of what Dog Shoe Bushcraft recommends, and 3 things I recommend. Anyway, God bless and peace.